Hi everybody and welcome back to today's video. I hope you're all doing well. So in this one I'm going to share with you guys how I created this simple, easy, beautiful look going on my eyes, of course, using this palette here from BH Cosmetics, which looks like this, of course. So this one is their Moroccan Sunset 16 color shadow palette, and when you open the inside, this is how the shades looks like. So beautiful. So I have used some of those shades, of course, to create this look that you see here. So if you guys want to know on how to achieve this look, of course, then keep on watching. So to begin, I'm going to take this color right here and use this as my transition shade, of course. So we're just gonna apply it right here, just buffing it everywhere. Nice. Just doing the same to the other eye. Alright, so that's how the face shade looks like, of course, on the eyes. And now I am going to take this one. It's more like a deep brown shade, this one here, and of course apply this one on the outer V. Just around here, and then just drag it a little bit close to the middle. Next, I'm taking this gold shimmer right here and applying this one on my eyelid. Oh, that is a beautiful color. I'm just applying this one in the center because I want to put another colors on these sides of the eye, of course. That looks beautiful. I'm gonna try to use a setting spray. Probably the shimmers will pop more. Yeah, that's better. Much better. And next I'm taking this shimmer purple right here and applying this one just on the outer V. I'll probably try to use my finger. Yeah, that's better. And just dragging it a little bit to the center. But of course we don't want to cover the gold color. We still want the gold color to pop, so we're not gonna cover that, but we're just gonna slightly just move close to that shade. And moving on, I'm taking this shade right here and I'm gonna use my finger, of course, and just apply this one next to the gold one. Nice. I'm just gonna bring it a little bit, of course, above here. And I think I'm gonna go back to this shade that I put in the middle and just apply a little bit because we seem to have lost some of that. So we're just gonna pack that like that. So this is how the eyes are looking like so far. And next I'm going to take this color right here and just above this one, just above here, oops, just in there. Like that. I feel like I've lost some of the purple, so just you can always go back and add some more color if you feel like you need to. Of course, you can always do that. There's no rules when it comes to makeup. You can do whatever you wish. Well, at least that's how I think. Alright guys, so for the bottom, of course, I'm going to use exactly the same color that I've used on the top, and I'm going to go in with this purple here and apply this one, of course, right here, and then go in with this beautiful shade right here, and of course put one in the middle, and then go in with that color here and apply this one on the edge here, and of course go in with this one right here and apply this one all over the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so this is of course a complete look. I hope you guys had so much fun watching me create it. I really love how everything turned out. As you can see, everything looks beautiful. I love all the color that I've used here. I think this look looks stunning, if of course I say so myself. So yeah, this is how the eyes looks like. Beautiful, beautiful. So anywho, this is pretty much all for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a massive huge thumbs up, and of course if you're not a subscriber, please do so by subscribing, hitting that red button, join the family. I would love to have you here, and also do turn on your notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Anywho, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye for now.